Okay, I'm going to make a quick video on the complex conjugate, and really we're going to talk about conjugates for anything. The definition for conjugate is the same numbers in this form, a plus bi, but it's really any binomial. But the conjugate, even though it's the same numbers, you change the sign. You change that sign right there in the middle. And so that's all you got to do. Okay, let's try one. 2 plus 4i is a complex number. What's the conjugate? Well, it's 2 and 4i, and you're going to use minus. Let's do this in orange. Okay, here's a number that's not complex, 3 minus 2 root 2, but it also has a conjugate, so it's going to be 3 plus 2 root 2. Notice it's the same numbers, I'm just changing that middle sign. X plus 6 has a conjugate, it'd be x minus 6. And right here I have negative 1 minus 7i. The conjugate is going to be negative 1 plus 7i. So it's a real easy idea or definition. And the reason why we use conjugates is because if I multiply these two together, then it'll simplify into a nice easy number, and that the i's will go away. 4i times negative 4i is negative 16i squared, and I squared is equal to negative 1, so therefore the I goes away. Right here, square root 2 times square root 2 is 2, so the square root goes away. And right here, you have x times negative 6 and 6 times x when you multiply them, and those cancel each other out, so you get 0. And same thing right here, negative 7i plus 7i. When those are multiplied together, you get I squared, and that goes to negative 1. So that's what a conjugate is, or a complex conjugate when you're dealing with i's.